Just a very quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. Thank you very much for joining me as always. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below before the comment section. Really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Polygon here on our daily time frame. As you can see, we've recently broken out of this downtrend that we've been in and have recently been consolidating, just like a lot of altcoins have really. And we are back inside of that bear market resistance, and we're in the apex now of this big coiling motion we've seen for Polygon throughout this previous bull and bear market. You can see here we are potentially on the verge of breaking back to the upside out of this bear market resistance again. After coming back inside and they're back testing support, you can see quite clearly on the charts here that we are basically just looking for a nice move to the upside if we can break back up through these Fibonacci levels. Polygon's been having some crazy volatility recently. Would have been very interesting to see how my bots fared on this chart. But anyway, things right now, we are just gearing up for Bitcoin bull market, in which case we're going to see a lot of relief for all these altcoins. And you can see Polygon here really primed and ready, in my opinion, for taking advantage of that move to the upside. Right now, we are just sitting and lying in wait. Cautiously optimistic that this is probably going to start moving up in a big way over the next 6 months, going into that bull market frenzy. So